It is early morning in Manila. The city wakes up to a piece of exciting news. Today, reporters gather at the site of the first completed tunnel of the Metro Manila Subway. Cameras flash as construction workers and engineers cheer, celebrating this huge step forward. Banners wave with the words, "Metro Manila Subway breaks new ground. Tunnels unveiled." The news spreads quickly. Social media buzzes with videos and photos of the event. People comment, "It's really happening." And at last, Manila will have its own subway. The air feels alive with hope and pride. This headline is more than just a story. It is a sign of progress for the whole city. For many, it is proof that better days are coming, days when traffic will not control their lives. The Metro Manila Subway is the biggest transport project in the city's history. It's a massive undertaking that represents a bold step forward for the entire region, aiming to transform how millions of people move every single day. This subway will run deep underground, carving a new path beneath the city's busy streets and connecting the north and south like never before. It's not just about digging tunnels. It's about building a new lifeline for Metro Manila. The plan is ambitious. Over 30 kilometers of modern tracks, stretching from Valenzuela in the north all the way to the Ninoy Aquino International Airport in the south. This route will link key business districts, residential areas, and major transport hubs, making travel more convenient for everyone. Traffic in Manila is legendary, and not in a good way. The city's roads are often choked with cars, buses, and jeepneys, leading to daily gridlock that frustrates commuters and slows down the economy. Every day, millions of people lose precious hours stuck in traffic, whether they're squeezed into crowded buses, waiting at packed stops, or inching forward in jeepneys. This daily struggle affects families, workers, and students alike. The subway promises a faster, smoother, and more reliable way to travel across the city. Imagine skipping the traffic jams and gliding underground to your destination in comfort and safety. With the subway, people will be able to get to work, school, and home without wasting time. It means more time for family, more time for rest, and less stress from the daily commute. Experts estimate that the subway will take thousands of cars off the road every single day. This will help ease congestion, making the streets safer and more pleasant for everyone, drivers, cyclists, and pedestrians alike. Fewer vehicles on the road also means cleaner air. With less traffic, there will be a significant drop in air pollution, leading to healthier lungs and a better quality of life for all residents. In the long run, the subway will boost the city's economy by making it easier for people to get to jobs, businesses, and opportunities. It will also help create a more livable city, where families can enjoy parks and public spaces without the constant noise and fumes of traffic. Building a subway is not simple. It's a complex process that requires advanced engineering, careful planning, and the dedication of thousands of skilled workers. It takes teamwork, science, money, and hope. Every tunnel dug and every track laid is a testament to what people can achieve when they work together toward a common goal. For Manila's people, every step forward in this project is a big win, a sign of progress, a promise of a better future, and a reason to believe that change is possible. Tunnel construction starts with careful planning. Before any digging begins, teams of engineers and city planners gather to map out the safest and most efficient routes for the tunnels and stations. They use advanced computer models and detailed maps to predict how the construction will affect the city above and below ground. Engineers study the ground, looking for rocks, water, and other challenges. They drill test holes and collect soil samples to understand what lies beneath the surface. This helps them avoid unexpected surprises, like underground rivers or unstable soil, which could slow down the project or make it more dangerous. Once the plan is ready, giant tunnel boring machines, or TBMs, begin their slow journey underground. These machines are massive, sometimes longer than a football field, and are specially designed to carve tunnels through all kinds of earth, from soft clay to hard rock. These machines are like huge earthworms, cutting through dirt and stone. Their rotating cutting heads grind away at the earth, while conveyor belts carry the debris out of the tunnel. The TBM works day and night, inching forward with incredible precision. As the TBM moves forward, it leaves behind a tunnel lined with strong concrete rings. These rings are assembled piece by piece, creating a sturdy shell that keeps the tunnel safe from collapsing and protects it from water leaks. Other teams follow, installing wires, pipes, and lights. They set up the systems that will power the trains, provide ventilation, and keep the tunnels well lit and safe for workers and passengers. Above ground, cranes and trucks bring in steel beams and other heavy parts for the stations. These materials are carefully lowered into place, sometimes in the middle of busy city streets, requiring precise coordination and timing. Building stations is just as tough. Each station is a massive project on its own, often requiring the construction of large underground rooms and passageways to handle thousands of passengers every day. Workers dig deep pits, sometimes as deep as a 5-story building. They use powerful excavators and drills to remove earth and rock, making space for platforms, ticket halls, and connecting tunnels. They pour concrete and put up walls, floors, and roofs. Each layer must be strong enough to support the weight of the city above, as well as the constant flow of trains and people below. Inside, escalators, elevators, and train tracks slowly take shape. Workers install the rails that will guide the trains and build the systems that will move passengers quickly and safely between street level and the platforms. It is loud, dirty work. The air is filled with dust and the constant noise of heavy machinery. But the workers are skilled and determined, knowing their efforts will soon connect the city in new ways. But every day, the tunnels and stations get a little closer to being finished. With each shift, the vision of a new subway line becomes more real, promising faster commutes and a better connected city for everyone. The subway's progress depends on its workers and engineers. Every day, deep beneath the city, these dedicated teams gather before dawn, ready to take on the immense task of building a new lifeline for Manila. Their expertise and determination are the backbone of this massive project. They come from many places, with different backgrounds and stories, but all share the same goal: to build something lasting, something that will serve generations to come. Their unity and teamwork are what make this project possible. In the tunnels, workers suit up in hard hats, sturdy boots, and bright reflective vests. These aren't just uniforms. They're essential for safety in the challenging underground environment, where every step must be taken with care. The air is cool and damp, filled with the constant hum and clatter of heavy machinery. Moisture drips from the tunnel walls, and the echo of distant engines reminds everyone of the scale of the work underway. Some workers operate the massive tunnel boring machine, guiding it carefully through layers of earth and rock. Their steady hands and sharp eyes ensure the machine stays on track, carving out the path for future trains. Others move along the tunnel walls, inspecting every inch for cracks or leaks. With flashlights in hand, they check for even the smallest signs of trouble, making sure the tunnel remains strong and safe. Engineers stand nearby, holding tablets that display digital blueprints and real-time data. They monitor maps, numbers, and progress reports, making quick decisions to keep the project moving forward efficiently. Safety officers patrol the site, their eyes always alert. They remind everyone to follow strict safety rules, ensuring that every worker returns home at the end of the day. Their presence is a constant reminder that safety comes first. Shifts begin before the sun rises and often end late at night. The work is exhausting, but the sense of purpose keeps everyone going, even through the toughest days. During breaks, workers share stories and look at photos of their families. Many admit they miss home, but they also feel a deep pride in being part of something historic, helping to build a better future for their children and their city. It's hard work, but when I see the tunnel taking shape, I feel proud, says one young engineer, his eyes shining with hope and determination. For many, this project is more than just a job. It's a legacy. Each day brings new challenges, unexpected obstacles, technical problems, and tight deadlines. But the team faces every issue head-on, working together to find solutions and keep the project on track. Through teamwork, resilience, and a shared vision, the workers and engineers keep moving forward. They know that with every meter they complete, they are building not just a subway, but Manila's future. When the subway opens, travel in Manila will never be the same. Today, a trip from Valenzuela to the airport can take hours during rush hour, but with the subway, the same trip will take less than an hour. Trains will come every few minutes, making it easy to plan trips. People will no longer worry about missing work or being late for school. Traffic jams will not ruin birthdays or family gatherings. The subway will also be friendly for people with disabilities, with elevators, ramps, and clear signs. Business owners are excited too. Shops and markets near the stations will get more customers. Students say they will have more time to study and relax. The subway is more than just trains and tunnels. It's really about giving people freedom and time for the things that matter. The Metro Manila Subway will have many stations in important places. Some of the biggest stations will be in North Avenue, Quezon Avenue, Ortigas, Calayan, and the airport. Each station is being built to serve thousands of people every day. North Avenue Station will connect to existing MRT lines, making transfers easy. Ortigas Station will help office workers and shoppers in one of Manila's busiest areas. The airport station will welcome travelers with fast and easy access to flights. Inside, stations will be bright and safe. There will be ticket machines, security guards, and signs in English and Filipino. Shops and food stalls will offer snacks and drinks for busy commuters. Each station is a gateway to new places, new jobs, and new chances for everyone in the city. As construction moves forward, people start to notice. Roads near station sites are sometimes closed, making traffic worse for a while. But many understand that these are signs of progress. Local officials visit the sites, taking photos and giving speeches about the future. Some residents say, "It's noisy now, but it will be worth it." Others worry about dust and delays, but are hopeful. Kids stand by the fences, watching cranes lift giant beams into place. Social media fills with updates and drone shots of the growing subway. Government leaders say the subway is a game changer for the city. They promise to finish on time and keep everyone safe. News reports show workers, engineers, and even robots working side by side. The city is changing, and everyone can see the difference each day. Right now, tunnel boring machines have finished several kilometers of tunnels. Big holes for stations like East Valenzuela and Ortigas are almost done. Crews are laying tracks and testing new systems for safety and speed. Engineers say the hardest part is making sure everything fits together. Each step must follow strict rules. Problems like floods, old pipes, and traffic can slow things down. But the team keeps moving forward. Next, more stations will take shape. Workers will lay the rails, install lights, and set up control rooms. Soon, test trains will run through the tunnels for the first time. Every finished tunnel and station brings the city closer to its dream. In a few years, the Metro Manila Subway will open its doors. For many, it will mean a new way of life. Travel will be faster, cleaner, and safer. The city will feel smaller, as people move easily from one end to the other. Business will grow, and new communities will rise near the stations. Manila will join the world's great cities with its own modern subway. Children today will tell their children how they saw it begin. There will still be problems to solve, but with each tunnel and station, Manila shows its strength and spirit. The subway is more than just a train. It is a symbol of hope. The future looks bright for Manila, moving forward, one station at a time.